We've been trying to get a fishing video out for you boys forever. I think today's the day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Dude. Heck yeah. I think my rod just broke. Ugh. My rod is broken. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. You got a big old head, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's a great way to start off the day.
Nice, dude.
Dude, this is a good way to start off the day. Into the unknown, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, that feels good. I knew that was gonna happen, dude. I was trying not to yank it. Oh, that might be gone.
We're back. Just pulled this one in. Ooh, he swallowed this thing. Ouch, that freaking hurt. Nice little fish. It's not big, but you know what? On a day like this, we'll take him. There's one like gigantic one in here. I'm not sure what poundage of it is, but I know it's big because I've seen him. He came up to the surface and then went back down. If I had to guess, it's probably close to 5, 6. I know that's not huge, but it's still pretty big.
Whopper popper. Same spot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Get up in here. Get up in here. Dude, I watched him eat that crap. Yeah. Yes, sir. You're mad, aren't you? Little, I mean, he's little, but he's big. Like, he's got like meat to him. He's not long. Crazy. What's up, Trey?
Yo, Jack. So there's some fish, a scale up here, like a big one for dogs. Would you want it?
Nah.
You sure we can't find a use for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. I'm going to the black worm. Yeah? Holy crap. Oh yeah. Look at that little dink that's swimming in right now. Skipping her. Oh man, boys. PB. Oh my gosh, the hook is bigger than him. Look at that. Largemouth bass. Right there. Hand size, baby. Alright, we're going to end the video off there. Hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll catch you boys on the next one.